everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to recycle one of my old sandals. There used to be a bow on this upper portion but which I lost somewhere and now it looks pretty empty and ruined. So I thought to give this a little macrame touch. So let's go and see how I made it. And before everything, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, these are my social media handles in case you like to follow. For this particular project, I'm using this local cotton thread 2 mm in size. You can use any kind of macrame cords. The first thing you are gonna do is to measure the breadth of the sandal and always take a little bit extra. Then measure the length, but it should be 3 times longer than the actual length. In my case, it was about 20 inches long and we need about 30 to 35 pieces of these long cords so that it can cover up the whole area. The next thing you will be needing are sellotape and some wooden beads. Tape up your base cord like so. Then now we are gonna attach these long cords aligning one by one like so into the whole area. We are gonna attach it with a double hitch knot, which is very simple. On starting, keep the second cord below the first one. Then with the other end looping it around like this once. And then go for the looping again twice, and that's it. So this is called the double hitch knot. This is very famous in macrame. And after that, just follow the same process and fill up the whole cords. After some times, I did 2 more extra rows by adding 2 more base cords. And this time to add some beads, I have added total 33 cords. So I'm gonna divide them into 11 groups. Each have 3 cords and then gonna add 1 bead per 3 cords like this. After we finish adding the beads, we need to add 3 more rows on the bottom like this, like the upper one. Add 1 cord with the help of the tape like this, then complete the row with the double hitch knot like we did earlier. Then add the second one and fill up with the double hitch knot too. and the third one as well. Once the 3 rows are done, remove all the tapes, then trim the cords a little bit. And untie them one by one like this. This is gonna take a while, but once it is finished, this is gonna look something like this. Then brush your cords a little bit with the help of a comb. Brushing is really important in case of macrame. Now trim your cords according to your desired length. Then I am going to spray some hairspray on them so that they always stay in place and looks tidy. This is my own special trick for macrame. Now it's time to attach it with your sandal and use a very strong glue while doing it. If nothing works, go for Fevikwik. That is definitely gonna work. Now you can cut down any extra cords or any threads that are hanging. And here comes our finished products. It contains a whole boho vibe in it and I just totally satisfied with the results. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys liked it and see you again on my next video. Bye bye.